As some members of our community work to improve the island's health care, some may think there is a potential roadblock in the way with the practice of telemedicine. Months back, Senator Roy Respicio authored a bill that would allow the use of telemedicine to help physicians correspond through the telemedicine technology for consultations, with hope to save residents the expense of leaving the island for consultation and to save lives. But as high hopes were set for this bill, Senator Frank Bloss Jr. authored a substitute bill that some would say contradicts the bill's original goal of allowing the practice of telemedicine on Guam. Senator Bloss said the substitute bill is not set in stone, and the intention of the bill is to allow for open dialogue to get feedback from all sides.
This bill, in no means, is in its final version. Okay. Obviously, there's going to be some changes that are going to be made as a result of the public hearing. Okay. Does it mean that the additional language that was put into the original version be stricken from it? If that be the will of the people, then so be it.
Pete Sgro, president of the Guam Healthcare Foundation, says although the substitute bill is yet to be passed, the relationship with Cedars-Sinai Medical Center may be at risk since doctors are skeptical to provide teleconsultation for the present circumstance and under the terms of the substitute bill.
This bill would basically just ruin the entire effort that has been made. And I'd like to remind people that this was done at absolutely no cost to the people of Guam. And it's really unfortunate that an initial bill that was drafted turned out to be another bill, and the major sponsors were not even aware of it.
The substitute bill is up for a public hearing today, and Senator Roy Respicio says he intends to push for the bill in its original form that would have pushed the use of telemedicine on Guam.
And unfortunately, the substitute version still has our names as sponsors and co-sponsors of the bill, and we have no control over that. But if the chairman wishes to report that version out, our only bet is to try to amend it to reflect what our original intentions are. And if we don't have 8 votes in the legislature and the bill still passes, then we can always move to have our names removed from that bill.
Krista Augustine, Pacific News Center.